Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. So in this video, you will learn how to add a menu in a Wix site. So you can add menu in Wix header, as you can see here. After watching this video, you will be able to do that easily. So to start with, I have opened this editor of a Wix site. So as you can see, there is no menu in the header. It's clean and the background color is white for now. So to add a menu, just click on add, then move your cursor to the menu and anchor and click there, and here you can see there are options of menu. So here, as you can see, it has given my menu, theme menus, horizontal menus, vertical menus, like this. These are options. So you can select any of these, but for the header like this, you should always add a horizontal menu. So now we will add the horizontal menu from this, and as you can see, this is the first point my menus. It is showing this one option. So my menus means this is the menu which was there in the site previously, because after that you may have removed that menu, so it shows here. So if you want to add that again, then you can add. Otherwise, you can add a different menu from here. So in horizontal menus, as you can see, there are different designs which you can choose from. So for now, we'll choose any of these. So let's go for this first one and simply click on that. So here we can see it has appeared here. So here you can simply drag it to the header, and as you can see it's coming that attached to the header in a box. So you just need to leave this here. It has been successfully attached to the header. So now you can complete the setup of the menu. If you want to design it in a more advanced way, or you can make your changes, and if you want to add some of the colors and elements to it, so you can just first increase the width of this menu. So if you want to adjust the width in between these grid lines, then just drag it like this, or you can increase the width by here as well. So now, as you can see, there are only three menu items: home, about us, and shop. So like this, if you go to layout, it says menu layout. You can make changes as per you want. So this is about adding the menu to the site. Thank you for watching this video.